Hi, welcome to Indian Chef. I'm Chef Kumudrai. I hope you all are doing good. Today I'm going to cook a street food. It's called Amritsari fish fry. Now this is very famous across Punjab, especially in Amritsar, and it's found commonly across all corners of Punjab. So let's get started. Here I've ordered fresh fish from this company FNM Daily. They are into processing of fresh meat and marine products. It's 100% halal meat and fresh. This particular fish that I've ordered is catfish, and it's also called Singhara fish. These are nice chunky fish. It's nice flaky and fresh. So before we start cooking, we will clean the fish in salt and ensure that it's nicely cleaned. We're adding a little bit of salt in this fish. And little water to clean the fish. The idea is, since it's dead, there might be bacterial activity in it which can be dangerous for us to consume. So salt acts as a antibacterial agent, and it helps in cleaning the fish and removes any odor if at all there exists. We have cleaned the fish with the salt water and now it is ready to cook. So before we start cooking, we will cut the fish into chunk size pieces. Now the fish is ready for the marination. So before we do that, let me take you through the ingredients. Here we have chaat powder. This will be adding it after the dish is ready. Here we have garam masala. Here we have coriander powder, salt, Ajwain, Kashmiri chili powder, turmeric, ginger garlic paste. This is rice flour, and this is chickpea flour, which is besan. So we will start the marination by adding the ingredients. We will add garam masala, which is half a teaspoon. We will add coriander powder, which is 1 teaspoon. Salt as per taste, around half a teaspoon. Now we will adjust it later. Ajwain we will add half a teaspoon. Ginger garlic paste 1 teaspoon to little bit of 1/2 teaspoon. Turmeric just 1/4 teaspoon. Kashmiri chilli 1 teaspoon. Rice flour powder 1 teaspoon. And chickpea flour, which is besan, 2 teaspoon. We just have to create a light coating for the fish. We don't want it to be heavily coated with the batter. We'll mix it. We'll add little water so that all the masalas and the coating get binded well. We just need a nice light coating. We'll also add a bit of refined oil, say around 1 1 teaspoon. The coating is nicely, covered the fish. We will now leave it to rest for 10 minutes. So we kept some oil to heat for the fish to fry. So we'll shallow fry the fish rather than deep fry the fish. And our marination is nicely done. We kept it for 15 to 20 minutes now. Alright, now we're going to fry the fish. The fish is getting coated beautifully. Color is getting golden now. Our fish fry is ready now. I just forgot to tell you one thing. If you don't get the catfish, you can always use any freshwater fish like Catla, or you can use sole fish to make this fish preparation. And also I've used approximately 300 grams of fish for this preparation. And for the detailed menu, you'll find it in the comment section or in the description section once the video is done. So now we'll go to plate the fish. I have some fresh coriander mint chutney flavored with lemon and chaat masala, and I'm going to plate it now on lettuce leaf. This lovely, delicious, crispy Amritsari fish fry. Looks amazing. So I'm going to sprinkle on top of it some chaat masala to give it nice tang to it and some zesty flavors. And also lemon veg. So this combination goes very well for an evening snack, and also you can have it any time of the day. What a lovely weather in Bangalore. In this lovely rain, this snack plays real hide and seek with my mood, and it's an absolute favorite. I hope you liked my recipe, and thank you for watching this video. We'll be coming out with more such videos with more interesting recipes, and we will discuss in length about more secrets and techniques to cook better food. Please share your comments once you cook this dish. I would love to hear from you. And if you have any clarification, do post it. Thank you very much.